Most businesses are using CRM, customer relationship management, systems to streamline their daily tasks with the help of advanced technologies. Business owners are integrating CRM to email marketing to interact effectively with their customers and to improve business relationships. CRM and email marketing are more personalized and effective marketing tools for small businesses. Both help you in generating leads and to nurture business relationships. CRM email marketing makes you stay ahead of both B2B and B2C customers. Key highlights. CRM and email marketing are more personalized and more effective marketing tools for small businesses. How can you streamline CRM with email marketing? CRM email marketing provides you with solutions to problems in finding particular contacts from the sales funnel. CRM email marketing. Leveraging CRM tools into email marketing in order to ensure direct and personalized marketing to clients. Operating your business with this CRM marketing tools allows you to create a robust email marketing campaigns with a targeted and potential audience. Remember, your main aim is a conversion, and what you should do to achieve your goal is to include a call to action, CTA. Benefits of CRM email marketing. What are the advantages of using CRM email marketing? What's the use of combining both CRM with email marketing? Here are a few benefits of CRM email marketing which you should know must. Personalized email. A person seeks to engage more with the emails that seem personalized. Or else do you tend to engage with an obvious blanket email to the entire company database of customer emails? It will be more effective and engaging if you see your name at the beginning of an email. That's where CRM allows you to get personal data that you can include in the emails. You may feel more personal and more enjoyable to read the mail. Remember, your recipient should feel to open and read it rather than just dumping into the trash. It's known fact that personalized emails deliver 6 times more engagement rates. That's the best way to get more engagement with your email marketing. Improves lead nurturing. Lead nurturing is very important, which allows your customers to search for a said product or service from your sales funnel. CRM helps you gather more information to tailor the email and identify a particular product or services from sales funnel that your customers seek. Make sure you don't send wrong emails to your customers which lead to break relationships. Most marketers feel that lead generation is one of the significant issues they face. CRM makes this possible as lead nurturing is essential. Can segment effectively. Most of the businesses target their audience irrespective of demographics. Even their preference varies, and here, the segmenting contacts come into the picture. CRM allows you to understand which email campaigns work best for your customer, as they may not work better for another customer. It will be better if your customers are receptive. You can achieve that by combining both CRM and email marketing. Even if you target your audience with a relative niche, not every customer will be precisely the same as others. Integrating into social media. It will significantly benefit your email marketing if you know your customers' social media feeds information. CRM helps you get that information and customize your email marketing to engage more with your customer. For instance, they can pin an image from the email or share the content directly through social media. You should not ignore this integration, as many people are using social media nowadays. It works well if you do this correctly. Also, use different social media tools to achieve better results. Create appealing and responsive emails. CRM email marketing provides you with the customized and responsive email templates with irrespective of devices, like phone, tablet, system, or laptop. This is essential for consistent and engaging customer experience and helps you to improve your campaign engagement. Wrapping up. If you use both CRM and email marketing together, it will be more effective. You can also find the solutions for problems to find particular contacts from your sales funnel and can learn more about your customers. It allows you to get more information and create effective marketing campaigns that generate the best results. Combining both will be helpful for the business that you do right now and in the future. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.